Hey Grow Garden players, today I am sharing brand new working redeem code. Today get free item and boost in Roblox Grow Garden. Watch till the end and drop your Roblox username in the comments because I will be sending some special gift to lucky players. Let's get started.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
This could help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe more code and giveaway.